Oh my gosh, my pipe is leaking! Is it possible to cover the pipe with this plaster? If there is a leaking pipe, don't throw it away yet. Today I will make a way to close a leaking pipe. But this method is very easy and practical for us to do. First of all, we prepare the used pipe, which will be cut to this small size. Then the pipe is marked with a marker with that size. First of all, we prepare the used pipe, which will be cut to this small size. After the pipe is cut, we clean it to make it neat. Next, we need to have used tire rubber, which will be used as the material. Then we cut the used tire rubber according to the desired size. So after this, we take the tire and we put it into the pipe to be measured. After we mark it, we cut the part that we have marked. Once it is completely flat and neat, then we take it to the leaking pipe. Next, we prepare 2 pieces of wire to tie the pipe. If it is like this, then we take the pipe that we made earlier, and then we attach it to the leaking pipe. Then we tie the pipe with wire to make it strong. I do this with a nail so I can gauge whether it is strong or not. After we finish one, we have to tie the other one so that it is equally strong. Okay, it's done, and this is how to tie it tightly. It definitely won't leak anymore. It's really easy, right? You only need used materials. Hope this is useful and helps you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the latest video.